name is Chandaria, founder of social enterprise in this Bentos Energy. Now, every single day, Kenya generates 6,500 tons of organic waste, but only 13% of this is recycled. As a country, of around almost 50 million people, 84% of Kenyans rely on wood-based fuels as a primary source of energy. Now, this has resulted into deaths of 15,000 deaths annually. Currently, out of a 19 million population of young people, around 60% are unemployed. And in our largest freshwater lake, we have around 10,000 hectares of Lake Victoria covered water husks. At Bentos Energy, we recycle waste biomass into affordable, smokeless, charcoal briquettes and organic fertilizer, which we sell to low and middle income earners whose problem is high cost of cooking fuel and artificial fertilizers respectively. We also make cookstoves which we supply to a market. Currently, we work with community-based organizations who we train on how to collect, sort, and carbonize organic waste. We have signed MOUs with them where they deliver this organic waste at specific prices. We then transport it into our facilities, which we process into various products and deliver to the market. Our current go-to-market strategy involves use of digital marketing such as social media and websites. We have direct sales from our premises, word-of-mouth referrals, and trade distributions. We have different customer segments, with the largest being retailers and mid-tier hotels. We also have social institutions, households, and industries. Currently, this market is valued at $25 million annually, and we're looking for 1.5% of this. Of course, there are competitors in this market, the biggest being wood charcoal. We also have LPG with feedstocks progress, as well as other briquette producers. Currently, our biggest competitive advantage is in terms of price. We are 33% cheaper than wood charcoal, with a kilo retailing at 30 shillings for households and 20 Kenyan shillings. This is for stores who buy in bulk. Another thing is the energy efficiency of our briquettes. Our briquettes boast a calorific value of 24 megajoules, meaning it produces high energy efficiencies compared to anything other in the market. Also, an organic fertilizer we ran 2 pilots, of which has resulted in an increase in yield in an acre ranging from 23% to 40%. We have a team led by my co-founder and CEO, She has a master's degree in social entrepreneurship and engineering. I myself have a background in manufacturing and accounting spanning 6 years, as well as my fellow other team members. We have Brad, who's our CTO, as well as consultancy, marketing, strategy, and planning. Currently on Impact, we have managed to recycle 1,000 tons of organic waste. This has resulted in saving 1,000 trees as well as 400 tons of CO2 emissions from the environment. We have employed 32 individuals, of which 16 are women, and impacted 7,200 lives through our products. Financially, we are profitable. To date, we've generated revenue of $120,000 with margins around 19%. We already have secured an LPU of 200 tons monthly, that is on industrial briquettes, and with investment we need to grow our revenues to $350,000 by next year. Our ask is for $120,000. This will go towards equipment, working capital, and marketing. With equity, you expect a return on investment of 57%, with average net margins of 33%. Of course, we also have partners. This range from research and development such as McGill University and Lundberg. We also have partners such as World Vision who help us support community-based organization fields, as well as E4 Impact and Wanda in terms of. This business has risks, which are classified into 3 categories. We have operational risks, where we've insured ourselves by having signed MOU contracts with a community-based organization. In terms of financial risks, we have cushioned ourselves against bad debts by also exploring franchise activities, as well as having agreements with our suppliers and stockists. In terms of compliance, we have the regular licenses from NEMA and the Nairobi City Council.
I urge all of you to join in this vision to create an organic waste.